how to do competitor analysis for product research in Shopify dropshipping. Now, welcome to this guide on how to conduct competitor analysis for Shopify dropshipping. Understanding your competition is crucial to identifying profitable products, refining your marketing strategy, and staying ahead in the game. In this tutorial, we'll break down step-by-step methods to analyze competitors effectively and leverage insights to boost your dropshipping success. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And so, with our first category, it is going to be identifying your competitor. You want to search for your product niche on Google and Shopify store. You want to use tools like myip.ms to uncover Shopify stores in your niche. You want to check Amazon, AliExpress, and another shop selling platforms for top selling products and the stores selling them. You want to browse Facebook and Instagram for ads running in your product category. And lastly, you want to identify influencers and businesses promoting similar product on your niche. Now, analyzing competitor product selection is really important. Basically, you want to study their best-selling products and see if they offer bundles, discounts, or special deals. From there, you want to check customer reviews and ratings on their website and platforms like Trustpilot. You want to identify gaps in their product selection that you can improve upon. You want to go ahead and look at reviews or comments that customers have left on their products that you can go ahead and see and learn upon. Now, you want to see if they launch seasonal or trending products frequently. And lastly, you want to observe if they use high quality images and videos for better engagement. Now, by analyzing your competitors, you will be able to study and basically learn from their experiences running Shopify store. And from there, we basically want to evaluate the pricing strategies. You want to compare their product prices and how they change with discount. You want to look at their shipping fees and estimated delivery times. You want to analyze whether they use upsell, cross-sell, or subscription models to increase their profit. You want to check if they offer free shipping or other incentives to encourage us purchases on their products. And lastly, you want to monitor how often they run sales and promotions. From there, we then want to examine marketing strategies. You want to study their Facebook and Instagram ads using Facebook Ad Library or Big Spy tool. You want to analyze their social media preference on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. You want to sign up for their email newsletter to track email marketing strategies. You want to monitor their influencer collaboration and paid sponsorships. And lastly, you want to observe their retargeting ads and follow-up strategies on their products or stores. Now, this is really important because once again, these stores already have the experience and we can just go ahead and take a learn from those experiences and improve it to our store. Now, by using tools like Big Spy, you will be able to go ahead and make this process faster. You can just navigate through their website. In my case, I am inside the Facebook category. And from here, you will be able to choose between Instagram, AdMob, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and more. In our case, we are inside the Facebook category. From here, you have your site type. In our case, let's go ahead and put it on Shopify. So from here, we have Shopify category, and we also have the Facebook filter on the Big Spy tool. From here, we can then go ahead and navigate through the products that people are using to go ahead and boost their sales on platforms like Shopify or Facebook. So from here, we can then go ahead and click on a specific product, and basically once inside, we can then go ahead and review the duration of this specific ad, the network, the OS or the operating system, the country/region, language, type, size, and more. In here, you also have the impressions. you have the popularity, and if you go ahead and click on preview, you will be able to browse through their specific ad right here. Now let's navigate through our next category, which is going to be reverse engineering their traffic sources. You want to use SimilarWeb or SEMrush to analyze their traffic sources. You want to check if they rely on organic search, paid ads, or social media. You want to study the keywords they rank for their SEO strategies. You want to identify if they are using influencer marketing or affiliate promotion. And lastly, you want to see what referral sites and backlinks drive traffic to their store. Now, moving over, you want to address their customer engagement and reviews. Now, I've already mentioned this earlier, but let's go ahead and explore on it more. You want to read customer reviews on their site and third-party platforms. You want to check the comment sections on their social media posts. Look at their response time and customer support interaction. And you want to identify recurring complaints or product improvements that you can go ahead and capitalize on. You want to observe how they handle refunds, exchanges, and complaints. And with this, you will be able to manage your own customer service when engaging with your own customer. You want to study their supplier and fulfillment methods. Basically, you want to identify where they source their products from, like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or private supplier. You want to check if they offer fast shipping options like e-packet or US-based fulfillment. You want to see if they've private labeled products or use custom branding to stand out. Now, you want to study their return and refund policies to understand customer expectations. And lastly, you want to observe their packaging quality and branding consistency. And from there, we can then go ahead and implement our findings into our business or Shopify dropshipping. We want to improve our product selections and fill the gaps that the other competitors are missing. We want to optimize our pricing to be competitive yet profitable. You want to strengthen your marketing efforts by adopting successful tactics from other competitors. You want to offer better customer support and faster shipping to stand out. And lastly, continuously analyze competitor to stay ahead of the market trends. Now in conclusion, competitor analysis is a powerful tool for Shopify dropshipping success. By studying top players in your niche, you can refine your strategy, optimize pricing, and offer better value to customer. Always stay updated on industry trends and keep improving your business to maintain a competitive edge. If this guide has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.